Hey Crypto Hook family! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting news for all you gaming and AI enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the CRV Airdrop bot and everything you need to know about the much-anticipated CRV Airdrop Season 1. If you've been following along with CRV, you already know that this platform is making waves in the blockchain space, and now they're about to reward their loyal community members in a big way. Let's get into all the juicy details, starting with the Carv Airdrop listing. Carv Airdrop Season 1, Snapshot and Token Supply. First off, we have the snapshot, which is critical for determining airdrop eligibility. The snapshot for the Carv Airdrop was successfully taken on October 1st at 0 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. This means that if you were holding eligible tokens or met the other criteria at that specific point in time, you're locked in to receive a portion of the $40 million RV tokens allocated for Season 1. Just to put things into perspective, the total supply of $RV tokens is 1 billion, with 10% of that supply, or 100 million tokens, reserved specifically for airdrops. The airdrop will be split across 3 different seasons, so even if you missed out on Season 1, there's still hope for the upcoming rounds. Now, let's talk about how you can actually claim your share of the CRV tokens. How to claim the CRV airdrop. The official CRV team is setting up a dedicated Carv airdrop page, which will be live soon at airdrop.carv.io. While the claim process hasn't started just yet, it's super important to stay updated through Carv's official social media channels like Twitter, X, Discord, and Telegram. These channels will be the first to announce the exact date when the airdrop claim process begins. So if you're eligible, make sure you're following them so you don't miss out. And while you're waiting, it's a great time to dive deeper into Carv's tokenomics and see what makes this project so unique. Carv Airdrop Tokenomics and Allocation. CRV has laid out a detailed tokenomics structure that reflects its commitment to building and rewarding a strong community. Here's how the CRV tokens are allocated. 50% of the total supply is set aside for nodes and community rewards. This means that half of the token supply will go directly to the people who support and contribute to the CRV ecosystem. 9% is reserved for ecosystem and treasury, ensuring the platform has enough resources to continue developing and growing. Another 9.246% is allocated to early investors, rewarding those who believed in the project from the start. 8.295% is going to private fundraising, providing the necessary capital to fuel Carv's growth. 19.459% is reserved for the founding team and advisors, the brains behind this revolutionary platform. Finally, 4% is set aside for liquidity, ensuring smooth trading when the token hits exchanges. Future projections and price predictions. One of the most common questions we've seen in the community is about the Carv airdrop listing price and potential exchange listings. While there is no official price for CRV tokens just yet, many in the community are keeping their eyes peeled for potential listings on major exchanges like Binance. We'll be keeping an eye on this too, so make sure you're subscribed to stay updated on the latest news and price predictions. The CRV Revolution, Data to Earn Soul Drop campaign. But what truly sets CRV apart from other projects is its Data to Earn Soul Drop campaign. This is a revolutionary initiative that allows users to monetize their identity and data in a privacy-preserving manner. CRV is transforming the way personal data is used, giving individuals the power to earn CRV tokens while maintaining full control over their digital identities. The platform combines an innovative protocol with a self-sovereign identity oracle and a decentralized data-sharing infrastructure. What does that mean for you? It means that you can consolidate your gaming experiences, protect your privacy, and even earn rewards for your participation in both Web 2 and Web 3 environments. Carv's tools for gaming projects. And that's not all. CRV is also developing a tool that will allow gaming projects to launch incentive campaigns and engage gamers across Web 2 and Web 3. This tool will be available to the public soon, offering even more opportunities to earn CRV and engage with the growing CRV ecosystem. How to get started, step-by-step guide. Here's a quick step-by-step guide for getting started with CRV and maximizing your potential rewards. Head over to the CRV airdrop page. Once it's live, you'll need to log in to begin the process. Mint your Carv ID, This will act as your digital identity within the CARV ecosystem. Create your .play name service. This feature is part of Carv's identity framework. Bind accounts from different chains. This allows you to earn $SOL and consolidate your gaming data across multiple blockchain networks. Participate in events. Join a variety of events to earn badges, gems, and other prizes. Invite friends. You can earn an additional 10% from your friends' daily mining activities. By following these steps, you'll be all set to maximize your rewards in the CARV ecosystem. Project links and caution. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly mention that you should always be cautious when visiting third-party websites related to airdrops or token claims. Carv's official pages are trustworthy, but some third-party websites may pose risks. Make sure you assess the risks independently and proceed with caution. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about the CARV airdrop bot and how to claim your share of the $CARV tokens. The Data to Earn Soul Drop campaign is a game changer, and this is just the beginning for CARV as they continue to innovate in the gaming and AI spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the CryptoHook channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the CARV airdrop. I'd love to hear what you think about this project and where you see it heading in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay informed, and keep earning with CryptoHook. Thank you for watching.